action takers. Today we are going to discuss a strategy which can drive sales for your business while you are sleeping. And what you need is only 5 emails. Exactly. You need only 5 emails to drive sales while you are sleeping. So let's start this video. So whenever someone leaves their information on your landing page or your website, you need to make sure that you are utilizing that information to turn that warm lead to hot lead. So what you need to do to catch that warm lead? So I'm going to explain you a strategy which needs only 5 emails that you need to send, and what you need to do that you need to send only one email every week. So let's start with the first email. So first email needs you to send a freebie and say thanks in a very creative way. What you can do is you can use humor, or you can create a personal video saying thanks, or what you can do is a personalized email with a bonus in it. The second email needs to build a rapport or build a relationship with your warm lead. What you can do is that you can tell them your story, that how you were before and how was your life and what is your life now and how you achieved it, and also you can share some valuable tips around it. Third email needs to hit on the pain point. You need to talk about the pain point deeply and how it affects the life. Also you need to explain that how your products solve that problem and saves your customer from the pain they are having. And finally, make sure to add an urgency in the end so that you can make sure that the person is taking action. Fourth email is building trust with them. You have created relationship with them, but now you need to create trust with them. You need them to trust on you. So what you can do is you can talk about the pain point again and again. You need to pressurize more on pain point, and then you can go with the transformation story of your client which changed their life, and also you can add some testimonials in it. And finally, make sure to again add a strong CTA to make sure that the person reading it is taking an action. Now comes the fifth email, which is the last email of all this sequence. And with this, you can close the warm lead immediately. You need to talk about the security and the urgency again and again. And then you can talk about your achievements, that what you have achieved so far. And also make sure you are giving a 30-day money back guarantee and also a discount only for a limited time so that they can more quickly click on the CTA. And again talk about the pain point. So this was the email sequence which can help you to sell via email marketing, and that also 100%. You can close clients 100% on email. If you like this video, you can like it, subscribe the channel, make sure you have turned on the post notification, and if you are having any questions regarding how to grow your business on social media, you can book a call with me. The link is in description. Wish you all a great day ahead.